Yes, sir. Looky what we have here. Caliber, the 44 Magnum FMJs. So we're just gonna do an unboxing right now. I wanna show you guys what you get in the box with these new clippers. Caliber just released these ones. All right, so let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open. I'm not gonna really talk about too much specs during the unboxing. I just kind of want to show you guys what we get in here. The box is really nice, I'll tell you that. Yeah, looks good. Kind of tells you a little bit about the clipper on the back. Strong power. It's got this new blade that we'll talk about later. It's supposed to be quiet. I believe it's supposed to also have a 6-hour run time, if I'm not mistaken. 5 hours. 5 hours of run time. All right, let's pop this bad boy open. Woo, that looks good. Okay, okay, okay. Built to last. Let's see, which way? Am I upside down? No. All right. Obviously the manual tells you what you gotta do. Oh, nice, okay. We got some premium guards. They're kind of like the wall guards. Okay. We got a little brush to clean the hair, some oil, and then obviously the charger is USB-A, but this side looks like a proprietary charger. So, but this is nice because you can use any of these little power bricks, I'm assuming, as long as the voltage and the wattage are the same, but most likely you can. The main event. Oh, they feel good. Yeah, they feel real good. Okay, they kind of have like a classic corded senior feel to it. Okay, okay. I like that. It's all metal. I believe this is plastic though. But yeah, they feel good. They feel real good. I don't know if you guys can see that there. You got your little screen right here. I mean, they really remind me of the classic corded seniors. Like a lot. The shape, how they feel. Like the newer seniors, the cordless ones, you know, they're a little skinnier, especially up here. It doesn't have such a pronounced bump. So I'm digging it though. I'm digging it. We gotta loosen this lever a little bit. It does still have the clicks in there, which is nice. The LED light, 100% power. We'll talk more about all this in a little bit. So I believe that's all you get in the box. That is it. These guards, curious. Those are nice. You got the 3, the 4, you got the 1, the A, which I'm assuming is half, and the B, which is a 1.5, which I dig. All right, guys, well, that's it.
All right, so that's what you get in the box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you're notified for any of my upcoming videos. I do have a special one comparing these clippers to the wall seniors, and I think you're gonna be really, really surprised on how well they performed against those clippers. So if you're interested in these clippers, I will place a link down below to Caliber's website. So go over there and check them out. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one.